In this lesson, we're going to discuss solving multi-step equations with a variable on one side. When you're working with multi-step equations, you always want to keep the equation balanced, which is why we have this little scale on the left-hand side as a visual. As you can see, 3x plus 16 is equal to 25. If we look at the scale, we see that 3x plus 16 is on one side and 25 is on the other. We always want to keep the scale balanced, which in turn means that we need to keep our equation balanced. What I tell my students is to circle their variable. This is what they're going to keep. They're not going to touch this until the very end. So what's not circled on this side? The positive 16. In order to move positive 16, we have to take the inverse or opposite operation to move it. So we're going to move that positive 16 to the other side. So we take negative 16 on both sides to keep the equation balanced. What I do to one side, I do to the other. This is going to cancel out, and I'm left with 3x equals 9. Okay, now 3x means 3 times a number. So the inverse of multiplication is division. So I need to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that cancels. And I'm left with x equals 3.